In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add groups in Confluence so you can manage users, simplify permissions, and keep access organized across your workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a new group and assign it the appropriate permissions. First, make sure you're logged in with Confluence administrator permissions. Group management is only available to admins, so you won't see these options with a standard user account. Once you're signed in, click your profile avatar in the top right corner and open the administration area. This takes you to the admin console where you can manage users, groups, and site settings. In the left-hand menu, navigate to Directory and then select Groups. Here you'll find a list of all existing groups in your Confluence site. Next, click the Create Group button. A window will appear where you can enter the details for your new group. Type a descriptive group name such as Marketing Team, Project Managers, or Support Staff. Using clear and consistent naming conventions makes groups easier to identify and manage later. If available, add a description explaining the group's purpose. This helps other administrators understand how the group should be used. You can also add users to the group during setup by searching for their names and selecting them from the list. If you're not ready to add members yet, you can always do that later. Once you've entered the required information, click Create. Your new group will now appear in the groups list. To give the group access to Confluence content, navigate to Space Permissions or Global Permissions and assign the appropriate rights. Depending on your needs, you can grant permissions such as viewing content, creating pages, editing content, or administering spaces. After saving your changes, the group is ready to use, and any users added to that group will automatically inherit the permissions you've assigned. And that's how to add groups in Confluence. Using groups instead of managing permissions user by user makes administration much easier and helps keep your workspace organized as your team grows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.